How to increase Telegram download speed. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how we can increase the Telegram download speed. So if you're wondering how you can do it, these are the steps you need to follow, which is super easy and simple. So let's just get ahead with the process. So first of all, head over and open up your Telegram and log in. After that, on your search bar, you're gonna type in link to file spot. After that, you're gonna go to the spot right here and tap on start. So what that happens is if you send any document to here in this bot, it will be downloaded in a greater speed. So just head over to the file which you want to download in a super speed. For example, this one right here. So what you're going to do is simply forward this file to the bot and then wait. It's just send it, and that file should be downloaded on your device in a greater speed. So that is how you do it. Follow the steps that I just told you and you should be able to increase Telegram download speed just like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.